Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check if iPhone is blacklisted. So if you want to check whether your iPhone has been blacklisted, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check if your iPhone is blacklisted, all you need to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Select About and then scroll down the page. Now here, you want to locate and click on IMEI number. So copy the IMEI number. Now exit this page. Open a browser on your phone. This could be Chrome browser and it could be Safari. So just go ahead and open any browser. Then search for check iPhone blacklist status. Select any of these websites where you can easily check whether your iPhone has been blacklisted or not. Now on the website page, you should see iPhone blacklist status. Now go ahead, paste the iPhone IMEI number you copied and click on check IMEI number. Then you want to hang on a couple of seconds, verify you are human, and after that, you will be able to check the status of your iPhone to know whether your iPhone is blacklisted or not. So here you should say your iPhone name, the model, then check now. So if the iPhone is blacklisted, you'll be able to know whether your iPhone is blacklisted or not in the status. So this particular iPhone is not blacklisted, and then that is it. So that is basically how to check whether your iPhone is blacklisted or not. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.